This love month, love takes center stage on Sessions with Brian Yimsuan.
My love for you will be forevermore.
All month long, we're bringing you the music that made you fall, the stories that broke you, the promises that healed you, and the voices that shape every season of your heart. From nostalgic ballads to timeless country love songs, from confessions to kilig moments, and from the legendary classics to heartfelt serenades. We're celebrating love in all its beautiful and complicated forms. Expect powerful performances, intimate conversations, and special guests who carried stories that speak straight to the soul. Whether you're in love, healing, searching, or simply holding on, this month is for you. This February, let love lead the music. Let the music tell your story. Join us for the Love Month specials of Sessions with Brian Yimsuan, where every episode is a reminder that love, in all its forms, is always worth listening to.
Guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find love within. And I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. And I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything and you won't give up. In my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. My friends wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. And I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. And though I only want the best, it's true. I can't believe the things I do for you. What you won't do for love. You tried everything and you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. Wonder what is wrong with me. Well, I'm in a daze from your love, you see. And I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. And though I only want the best, it's true. I can't believe what you won't do for love. You've tried everything, but you won't give up. In my world, only you make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. Make me do for love what I would not do. Yan, di ba? Palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili nyo. Yan, Jam Live, of course. And of course, welcome to Sessions with Brian Yamsuan. We open tonight with a song that asks a simple but timeless question. What are you willing to do for love? This classic from Bobby Caldwell has become an anthem for those moments when love asks everything of us and we still say yes. Itong tone na to, sobrang tindi nito, di ba, Mariel?
Yes.
It sets the tone for an evening full of love with our very special guest. Walang iba, ang bandang nagpatibok ng ating puso, nagpaluha sa ating mga mata at nagbigay ng inspirasyon para sa ating patuloy na pagmamahal. Diba? Yun naman yun eh. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang Valentine's with the one and only Side A. Diba? Abangan niyo po sila mamaya. Yam Jam, excited na ba kayo sa ating sessions with Side A?
Yes, ko.
Oh. So tonight, we all ask the question, what are you willing to do for love? Is it to wait? Is it to forgive? To fight for someone when it would be easier to walk away? Or maybe sometimes it's having that courage to let go, even when your heart wants to hold on. Love isn't always the grand gestures and the perfect moments. Most of the time, love lives in the quiet choices we make. Every day, showing up, listening, choosing kindness, choosing patience, choosing hope. Tonight, we're going to explore those choices through music. Stories of love found, love tested, love celebrated, love that continues and no matter what. So, wherever you are, watching from, whether you're celebrating love with someone special or simply learning how to love better, because tonight's episode is for you. Happy Valentine's Day. This is Sessions with Brian Yamsuan. We'll be right back at tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kwentuhan at kantahan. Siyempre, nandito ang Side A, kaya tuloy-tuloy ito. Abangan nyo. Coming right up, more good vibes and music here on Sessions with Brian Yamsuan.
Speaking of challenges, continue to love the music, continue what you're doing. Basta nag-enjoy ka, mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. Magkakaroon ng ano yun, ng produkto.
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender juicy cheese dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron pang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat! Kids can tell!
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansang manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.
Side A was formed in 1989 during a time when Filipino pop bands were redefining OPM sound. They quickly became known for their polished harmonies, emotional ballads, and radio-friendly pop style, setting them apart from rock-heavy bands of the era. With iconic hits like Forevermore, Set You Free, So Many Questions, and You, Side A has created songs that mirror our own journeys. And tonight, as we celebrate Valentine's Day, we begin with a song that speaks of anticipation of that moment when everything finally makes sense. When love finds you and changes you forever. Here's Side with Until You.
Know that all I want is to know that I was made to spend my days with you. And I like it just like that. Where you are is where I'm at. And I don't mind if things don't ever change. Know the earth goes around the sun. In my heart I know that you're the only one. And I can't believe it's true. Somehow I belong to you. If this isn't really what it seems, please don't ever wake me from this dream. I know a lot about a lot of things. We just know about most everything. Oh, but even though I know it all, I know this much is true. I never knew what love was until you. I know about the birds and the bees. I know my letters and I want to freeze. But even with these things I know I can never really show just how much you really mean to me. I love you more than what your eyes can see. I know a lot about a lot of things. They just know about most everything. Oh, but even though I know it all, I know this much is true. I never knew what love was until you. Oh, I know a lot about a lot of things. They just know about most everything. Yeah, but even though I know it all, I know this much is true. I never knew what love was till I met you. I never knew what love was until you. Until you. I never knew what love was until
Until You reminds us that sometimes you don't really understand what love means, or even who you truly are, until the right person comes into your life. Suddenly, everything makes sense. Your direction becomes clear, your heart becomes braver, your purpose becomes deeper. Mga ka-sessions, let us all welcome Side, di ba? Grabe, grabe.
Makas!
Sa wakas na nasungkit ko din ang Side A. And syempre, alam nyo, sa lahat ng banda talaga na nakasama ko dito, ang Side A ang isa sa pinaka-importante nung ako'y tumakbo nung nakaraang eleksyon dahil yung support ang ibinigay nila sa akin, sobra. Pati yung mga projects ko personally, para sa mga musikero, nandyan lagi ang Side A.
Gusto rin namin talagang mag-guest dito sa sessions with Brian Yamsuan.
Yan.
Talaga, no?
Siyempre, di ba? Siyempre.
Napasawakas din ako.
Napasawa ka. Pero syempre, introduce muna natin lahat. Simulan natin kay Yubes, di ba? Ang lead vocals nila, nagigitara din siya. And siya, syempre, kumbaga, ang frontman ng Side A ngayon. Sama natin si Ned, sama natin si Livon, si Naldi, and siyempre si Ernie on drums, di ba? So, sila ang bumubuo ng Side A para sa ating mga audience, lalo na doon sa mga Gen Z. Try niyong manood live. Punta kayo doon sa mga gigs nila o anyway, doon sa mga social media accounts nyo, Side A Band Official, di ba? Tapos may Facebook din and everything else. So, importanteng look back and relax dun sa mga OGs ng ating OPM scene. And ang Side A yung isa doon sa talagang haligi ng OPM natin. At itong kanta yung Until You. Ano nga ba ang kwento nito, Yubes?
Si Ned ang sumulat nito, Ned.
Oo.
Magandang si Ned na makapag...
Yeah, Ned, ikaw ang mag-explain ito.
Until You is basically my love letter para sa aking wife.
Yan.
No? So yung letra noon, yung lyrics noon, ako talaga yon, expressing my love for my wife.
Yan, di ba?
Simple lang kasi siya eh. Parang nag-flow lang na malapit na yung anniversary namin. And then sabi ko, sige,
Reassuring siguro.
Oo.
gawan ko nga ng kanta. Tapos yun, nag-flow lang yung mga words.
Ano naramdaman niya nung una niyang narinig? Ano yung, para sa akin to talaga? Parang may ganun bang moment?
Actually, ginagatungan ng daughter ko eh. Parang, sulat ni Papa. Kaya. So, syempre, napangiti naman, natuwa naman.
Ito naman, Nalds, di ba? Yung new generation of listeners natin.
Yes.
Sa nangyayari ngayon dun sa music industry natin na dyan na yung advent of AI, yung creativity parang nawawala na. Minsan, pag may gusto kang kanta, areglo na gusto mo, sabihin mo lang, AI mo, andyan na.
Totoo yun.
O,
Dami
ikaw
ko
ba,
narinig.
sa tingin mo, eventually, kailangan tayong mag-adapt doon o wag nating iwala yung creativity ng mga musicians?
Creativity naman lalabas yan yung actual mismo eh.
Pag live performances
Yes,
na.
live performances talaga. Doon magkakaalaman ko.
Oo.
So, sige, na-AI mo, narinig mo, ang ganda. Sige nga, tugtugin mo nga.
Doon magkakatalo
Doon
lahat.
magkakatalo yun.
Nung nirelease nyo itong Until You, siyempre iba pa niyang mga songs lahat. After decades na, ito na, magkakasama kayo. Kamusta pa rin ba? Kasi siyempre ako, witness ako sa live scene kung paano ang Side A.
Yes.
Hanggang ngayon ba, ganun pa rin sa lahat ng venues nyo?
Awa ng Diyos. Oh.
Oo, di ba?
Oo. Kasi ang ginagawa ko, talaga, kailangan in touch ka sa crowd mo. So, as much as possible, meron kaming isang araw sa isang linggo na alam ng tao nandun kami. Pupulsuhan. Kailangan mapulsuhan ka eh.
Oo,
So, meron kaming parang bahay.
bahay.
So, yun. Hanggat maaari, ito lang kami. Ganitong araw, ganitong week, nandito kami.
Oo. Ito yung ano eh.
Doon mo mag-gauge kung meron kang...
Yung sustainability. Oo, kasi yun yung parang, ay, Biyernes kayo, Side A.
Kasi kung
Punta tayo ng 19 East, ganun, di ba?
Pwede kang tumutog kahit saan. Kung gusto mo eh. Pwede kang umuo kahit saan eh.
Oo.
Pero kailangan meron kang plano na, yun nga, mapulsuhan mo talaga yung, kung gusto ka pa ng tao. Hindi.
Oo.
So yun yung isa sa mga, pwede kong ma-share sa kanila. Kung gusto nyo malaman yung artist ninyo, bumahay kayo sa isang lugar. From there, magkakaroon kayo ng following. Siguro, sana. Parang dati rin, nagkalesa bar kami nung...
Oo, yun nga. Kasi
Yun din yun eh.
di ba yung araw na yun, pag, oy, Kalesa Bar, ngayon, punta tayo. Kasi
Yeah,
Side A.
So, ganun din yun. Parang doon ko lang napulot din yung idea na yun na kailangan meron kang bahay.
Yun ang importante kasi
Hindi
yun ang
yung
kailangan.
nanguhula yung tao kung nasaan ka kasi nabasa ka lang.
At saka siyempre, kumakanta na rin kayo ng bago kahit konti.
Yes, yung
Diba?
paisa.
Nag-a-adapt ka na rin sa bagong generation ngayon.
Yung paisa. So,
Ano ba pinaka-latest nyo na bagong kanta na
Ako, may
pagka tinugtog nyo sa mga bata, wow, kinakanta nila to.
yung...
Actually, meron kaming binalik sa lineup namin yung Counting Stars by One Republic. Eh ngayon, pagka kinakanta namin yun, wild sila. So,
Oo, di ba? Kasi
although kinanta
yung
na
beat,
namin
grabe,
yun, we stopped for a while, tapos ngayon binalik namin.
Oo.
Ano naman siya? Responsive sila.
Tontuwa si Ned, eh. Oh.
Trip na trip ko yung mga ganong kanta kasi.
Oo, kasi di ba talagang kailangan adapt ka din, eh, di ba?
Coldplay kami.
Oo. At syempre, ayun, napakaganda ng usapan namin at umpisa na naman ng matagal na kwentuhan to. At syempre, ito sa industriyang to, matagal na ang Side A. I think almost, tama ba ako? Magpo 40 years na?
85.
Yes.
Oh, mag 40 years na ang Side A. And
Pero hindi na kami nagbibilang, ano eh.
nagsimula kasi si Naldi, 10 years old ho to eh. Nagsimula bilang...
14 years.
14. Batang-bata. Kaya, and they stood up to the test of time. And syempre, alam natin na hindi yun walk in the park. Alam natin ang challenges ng mga tinatawag nating mga OG ng gig economy like Sinaldi, Yubes, and the rest of Side A. Ano yung mga naging challenges nyo na na-experience ninyo sa industriya over the years at paano nakatulong ang isa't isa to survive? Lalo especially nung pandemic, Nalds.
Pandemic is one, no? Pero speaking of challenges, alam naman ng mga iba na yun, there's been changing of the guards dito sa banda. Umikot na ang dami ng palit, no? Yung iba unaware, yung iba aware. So yun, mga challenges din yun. But siyempre, we have to go on, continue to love the music, continue what you're doing. Basta nag-enjoy ka, mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. Magkakaroon ng ano yun, ng produkto.
Yan, grabe. Salamat, Side A. At syempre, magbabalik pa tayo for another session with Side A. Kaya, huwag kayong aalis.
Guess it's you.
Coming right up, more good vibes and music here on Sessions with Brian Yamsuman. Yun ba yung most requested sa lahat ng kanta ng Side A?
Hindi pwedeng hindi namin matugtog sa isang gabi.
Isang gig eh, no?
Magagalit.
Ang tao.
Magagalit.
My love for you will be forevermore.
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender Juicy Cheese Dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron mang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat! Kids and tell!
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansak manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.
Yes, it's you. You're the one in my life I've known. From the start that it's you I'd spend forever with. So please hold on with me. You know so well that we can't last a day without each other. You're all I have. I'm all that's there to keep you going. Hold on, just keep on holding on. It may not be for long. Just keep on holding on with me. Hold on, keep on holding on. It may not be for long. Just keep on holding on with me. Funny how we both try to show that we don't really care, but deep inside the things that matters is to have you by my side. Let the tears roll down, that's okay, because tomorrow no one's going away. So let this be at home. On with me, hold on with me, hold on. It may not be for long.
Ayan, nandito tayo sa segment na tatanungin naman natin syempre kung ano naman yung mga meaning ng mga kinanta ng side A. Lalong-lalo na tong huling kanta. Nads,
Yes.
bakit sa tingin mo itong kantang Hold On, hanggang sa ngayon parang itong kantang to masakit na masakit pa rin pagka naririnig ng mga listeners? Ano yung magic ng song na to? Kumbaga ano ba ang kwento ng kanta?
Two sides of the coin kasi yan eh. Oh. Holding on na talagang nagmamahal ka ng tapat.
Oo.
And holding on na mahal mo siya pero hindi ka niya mahal.
Ah, okay. So talagang double meaning pala to. So,
Double-edged sword.
oh, double-edged sword to. Parang samurai to.
More on ano siya, more on the positive side siguro.
Oh, more on the positive side. Kasi lahat naman, pag narinig yung kanta talaga, hi, di ba? Gusto pa rin nilang kumapit, sabi nga ni Yubs di ba?
Kapit na kapit pa rin.
Kapit na kapit pa rin. At syempre, di ba, ito, Naldi naman. Usually, pag yung banda, di ba, pag nakikita mo nagpa-perform, pero dito sa sessions, ang gagawin natin, magtatanong kami tungkol dun sa mga playlist nyo.
Ah, okay.
Oh, yan. So, isa-isayin natin, di ba? So, like, si Yubs, first love song na nag-inspire sa'yo. Siyempre, mayroon tayo, nagsimula tayo.
Okay. Ako, I have fond memories of this song by Cathy Dennis entitled Too Many Walls.
Oh,
So, yung pag-ibig nila, maraming hadlang.
yun, tama. Oh. Ito naman, Ned.
Yo.
Song that usually play pag nasa road trip ka. May date ka, tas road trip. Ano yung mga kantang gusto mong playlist mo? Yan, di ba?
Ako laking OPM. So, actually anything na OPM, very malapit sa
Malapit sa kahit
pandinig
ano,
ko.
basta road trip, OPM talaga. And ito naman, Yvonne. Song that can be a love letter.
Love Later daw, Chong. Love
Alam ko
Later.
na. Merong isang kantang side A na parang ganyan. Pangako.
Tama. Yan, balik naman tayo kay ano. Ito Ernie, ito ang pinaka mabait sa side A to. Oo.
Salamat.
Ito, which side A song best
Dati.
describe yung falling in love?
Ang naisip ko yung nagawa kong awit. Bihira lang ako gumawang awit pa isa-isa lang. Pero
Yan.
ito yung unang naisip ko eh. Yung kinatha kong wala nang iba.
Yun talaga.
O, kung di
Dapat
ikaw,
loyal.
di bali na, diba?
Oo, dapat loyal. Gaya ang sabi nga ni Naldi, loyal talaga dapat. Di ba?
O,
Ito
si
naman.
Naldi may kinanta din yan eh. Parang ganun din ang meaning gaya ng English. No other love.
Tama, exactly.
Usually, kung yung mga awit naman ng mga musiko, yung mga sulat, kadalasan ano yan eh, buhay talaga.
Oo, may pinanggagalingan talaga.
80%, 90% siguradong ano na yun, na-experience nila.
Oo,
You know,
yung moment na yun.
yung moment na yun.
Kaya nga minsan, di ba, yung ibang kanta, nagagawa mo lang ng 15 minutes kasi nung time na yun, andun ka.
Naku,
Inspired.
may ganyan ako. Oh.
Oo, may ganun ka moment.
May 30 minutes ako nakanta na letra saka melody sabay.
Ito naman, Nalds, di ba? Sa tingin mo, ano yung side A song na hurts the most?
Yun, Time to Let Go. Kasi yun yung tungkol sa ano yun bawal na pag-ibig yun Tapos nagkatagpo sila dun sa time na pareho silang may commitment. So, dinecide nila na
Let go na.
let
Oo,
go.
tama.
Sakit.
Sample daw, Naldi, nung parang gusto nilang marinig daw yan eh.
Once again. Yup, sige.
We're here as though we're not afraid of what might come. Is it unfair?
Ito ang ganda linya.
To fall in love, but then we both belong to someone else and we just don't know how to let go. Why do we ever have to let it go? I don't know.
Ganda, di ba? Ang ganda naman ng message nun. Ikot natin ulit, di ba? Ikot natin. Magandang tanong to kay Yubs kasi feeling ko talagang ito yung pinakamabait sa side A eh.
Sunod lang kay Ernie. Sunod lang
kay Ernie. Oh, si Ernie yung
dati.
pinakamabait, tapos sunod si Yubs. What side A song will you dedicate to your partner?
Pwede mo sabihin na forevermore, pero maganda yung maganda yung until you eh. Kasi I never knew what love was until you.
Oo.
Siguro, na-in love ka na many times.
Oo.
Pero nung nalaman mo talaga, parang ito pala yung love.
Oo.
So I never knew what love was until...
Kasi yung the one, di mo naman talaga masasabi yan until makasama mo siya. At,
Tama.
di ba, na, oy, jive kami sa lahat. Pareho kami ng gusto.
Kasi di ba, totoo naman sa life natin, marami tayong iniyakan.
Oo.
Kala natin, end of the world na nung naghiwalay kami. Pero nung nahanap mo yung para sa'yo, yun pala, kaya pala nangyari yun.
Oo.
Until you.
Meron
Yung pa
parang
yun.
destiny
May
na
padating.
binibigay sa'yo. Oh, may padating. Ikaw naman, Ned, ano ang kanta na ide-dedicate mo sa partner mo?
Actually, yung binanggit niya, sinulat ko yun for my wife.
Uy.
Yung Until You. So yung letra na yun,
Yun na yun.
ako yun.
Yan.
Wala
yan.
dapat sagot ni Livon.
Oo, Livon, ano, ito.
Sana naman.
Yan.
Lagot.
Hindi, siguro sa akin parang forevermore kong.
Oo, diba?
Yun eh. It
Yung pa
sums
rin
it
yun.
all.
Eh.
Oh.
Yung pa rin yun talaga. Eh. Ikaw naman, Ernie.
Ako, yung gawa ko rin.
Love your own pa.
When I See You Tonight.
Oh, yun, siyempre.
Gusto marinig ng konti?
Oo, sige, sige,
Hindi naman alam
sige.
masyado yun.
Hindi ka ba to?
When I see you tonight, love will surround us. Everything will be right. Nothing can stop us now. Just like before. When I see you tonight, I'll be loving you even more.
Yun, di ba? Yeah, Naldi, ikaw naman. Anong song na ide-dedicate mo sa partner mo na kanta ng side A?
Maraming kwento yan. Nabigo, bigla na tagpuan. Yung natagpuan ko yung The One. Yan.
Oo.
Yung sana naman talaga yun.
Totoo naman.
Kasi parang sa pelikula, kala ko hindi totoo.
Mm.
Yung unang mong nakita, lumabo lahat, tapos siya lang nakita mo.
Oo, totoo yun.
Totoo yun. Tapos nakita ko.
Yun na.
Doon ako nag-wish na yun. Ginawa ko yun sana naman.
Oh, galing naman nun. Ito na. Dahil magva-Valentine's, di ba? Lahat halos nang nire-request sa inyo forevermore. Pag forevermore na, wala na. Parang, yun na yun, di ba? Yun ba yung most requested sa lahat ng kanta ng side A? Yun talaga no? Forevermore talaga no?
Oo, ano yun. Hindi pwedeng hindi namin matugtog sa isang
sa isang
gabi.
gig no?
Magagalit.
Ang tao.
Oo, magagalit.
At itong darating yung show sa Met, siguro may makikita tayong kakaiba dahil 30-piece orchestra, di ba?
Yes. Oo.
So another take on Forevermore to na kakaiba siguro sa areglo.
Oo, tapos yung mga ibang nasulat namin na hindi talaga nila na rinig as yung mga single, yung mga not so famous song na side A, nilagay namin doon. Plus, yung mga bagong sulat na
Oo.
hindi pa namin na-release.
Oo, so may surprise.
Online.
So meron pala sila dapat talagang i-look forward dun sa concert.
Parang library ng ano yun. Pero syempre, pasintabi, hindi talaga namin matututog lahat eh. Dahil
Oo naman.
2 oras lang yung panahon
Exactly.
na.
Pero yung Eva Mariba,
Ayun, ando doon yun.
siyempre, di ba? Siyempre.
Ando si Joey Beninson.
Oo, kaya kailangan. At ito naman, ano yung nagpapanostalgia sa inyo? Pag magkakahiwalay na kayo, hindi na kayo nagigig. Pero pag narinig nyo yung side A song na to, parang namimiss ko si Yubes, namimiss ko si Ned, namimiss ko si... Ganon lang feeling nyo. Anong kanta yun? Naldi, ikaw.
Yung nostalgic
sa side A,
talaga
ano
for
pinaka-nostalgic song sa'yo?
Actually, yung Eva Marie. Yan.
Oo.
Kasi yun talaga yung ano eh. Nag-umpisa nun lahat eh. Na-release namin yun. Hindi naman namin na-release yun as a part of an album.
Oo, saka...
Talagang ano lang siya. Bootleg lang.
Oo, saka parang yun na nag-define nung si Joey Benin to,
Si
di ba?
Joey Beninto. Tapos ano yun, wala pa kaming pera nun eh. Siya lang yung sumagot ng buong gastos ng studio. So bootleg talaga siya. Tapos kaibigan lang namin yung mga radio station. Ano.
At saka yung tunog nun, nung narinig ko rin yun, nung panahon natin yan. So talagang parang, uy, Pinoy to. Foreign ang sound eh, di ba? Nung tugtog ng Eva Marie, kaya napakahalaga nun.
After nun, yun, parang meron na nag-ano sa amin, nagka-interest na. Gumawa kayo ng album. So doon lumabas yung mga ibang sulat.
Kaya para tuloy-tuloy ang kilig nyo, we give you the one and only defining song in OPM ballad history. Here's Forevermore with Side A.
There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold of night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're until this lasts forever. Our love will stay together. You're all I need to be with to be with forevermore.
Heto na naman ako.
Coming right up, more good vibes and music here on Sessions with Brian Nimson.
Sana naman, sana naman, sana naman kami nang magkatuluyan. Sana naman, sana naman, sana naman wala nang iwanan.
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender Juicy Cheese Dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron mang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat! Kids can tell!
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansak manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.
Heto na naman ako naglalaro sa isip. Huwag sanang maulit na siya'y mawala sa akin. Puso ko'y di na mabuhay.
Kay tagal na ng panahon, ako ay labas-pasok sa mga relasyon. At kung aking iisipin, lang dapat sisihin, ganyan talaga ang pag-ibig. Ito na naman ako, naglalaro sa isip. Huwag sanang maulit na siya'y mawala sa akin. Ay baka ikamatay, puso ko'y di na mabuhay. Sana naman, sana naman, sana naman kami nang magkatuluyan. Sana naman, sana naman, sana naman wala nang iwanan.
Mahal na mahal ko siya. Kay sarap sabihin kahit ulit-ulit kailan ba mag-iisa puso nating dalawa. Ilan na talaga ito na naman ako naglalaro sa isip. Huwag sanang maulit na siya'y mawala sa akin. Puso ko'y di na mabuhay.
Sana naman, sana naman,
Sana naman kami nang magkatuluyan.
sana naman, sana naman.
Sana naman wala nang iwanan.
Yan, di ba? Grabe. Through every song, Side A took us on a journey of what we're willing to do for love. To wait, to hope, to forgive, to celebrate, and to keep moving forward even when the road gets tough. For more than 3 decades, their music has been part of our own love stories. Our first dances, late night drives, heartbreaks, reunions, and forever moments. And tonight, they reminded us why great music never grows old. Because real emotions never fade. To Side A, thank you for sharing not just your music, but your hearts with us. We will forever remember this night. Naldi,
Yes.
Yubs, ano ba mga bago natin ngayon? Di ba?
Right.
Meron ba kayong bagong gimmick for Love Month, especially ngayon, Valentine's Day? Nabalitaan ko, meron kayong concert this coming 3rd week of Feb.
Buti na banggit mo, Kong. Actually, meron po talaga kaming concert this coming February 21 and 22. Dalawang araw po yan. Pero ang maganda po dyan, we'll be together with some of the OGs of Side A. Joey Benin, Pidola Limarmo, and of course, Kuya Rodel Gonzalez, all the way from Miami, Florida, papunta po dito. At hindi lang po yun. We'll be joined by a 30-piece orchestra. So it's really one of a kind experience.
Saka ano to, Met di ba? Metropolitan.
Oo, at the
At talagang binuksan to na naman ng City of Manila para talaga maibigay sa atin yung ano.
Yeah, and we're privileged to be the performing dun sa napaka-historic na.
Oo, lahat ng mga performances ng panahon na yan talagang ginawa sa Met. And
Tsaka pala, Kong, I would like to mention, it will be, the 30-piece orchestra will be conducted by Ria.
Biliana Osorio.
yan.
The title of the show, huwag natin kakalimutan, Side A Now and Then, live at the Metropolitan Theater.
Yan, di ba? Ako, sinabi ko na kay Naldi, pa-reserve na ng ticket siya kasi even yung wife ko talaga gustong-gusto niya manood kasi una, Side A, pangalawa, sa Metropolitan Theater
Yes,
talaga gagawin.
kasama yung mga OG. So,
Na-imagine niyo na ba? Nagkaroon na ba kayo ng practice with them na ano? Nagkaroon na ba ng...
narinig na namin yung mga ibang areglo, no? And we're so excited na yun, marinig namin ng sabay-sabay na matugtog.
Oo, lalo na pag nagdatingan na sila Joey,
yeah,
saka si
Kuya,
Kuya Rodel. Ayun. So, importante yan. At syempre, supportahan natin ha. So, kung meron pa kayong konting natitira dyan sa mga na-save nyo nung Pasko, kung meron pa man, di ba? Make it a point na supportahan natin ang ating mga OPM artists and chefs, especially Side A, na nagbigay sa atin ng napakaraming kanta. You guys have been part of, hindi lang ng journey ng lahat, kundi my own personal journey also. Your music keeps making us believe in the magic of love. And maraming salamat sa
salamat
pagpunta
din.
nyo dito sa Sessions with
Of
Brian.
course.
So,
Thank you for inviting us.
diba? Yubs, Ned, Devon, Naldi,
Thank you, Kong.
Tito Ernie, ako yung Ernie. maraming salamat talaga. And magbabalik po ang Sessions with Brian Yamsuan.
You're all I need, my love, my Valentine.
Coming right up, more good vibes and music here on Sessions with Brian Yamsuan.
Sabay! Let's go!
Wala naman yayaman. Ito kayo. Yun ang isipin pa. Maghihintay na lang. Darating desisyon naman iyon. Tapuan ng puso ko. Tuloy pa rin ako. Tuloy pa rin ako.
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender Juicy Cheese Dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron pang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat! Kids can tell!
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansak manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.
There were no words, no way to speak.
You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. All of my life, I have been waiting for all you give to me. You've opened my eyes and shown me how to love unselfishly. I've dreamed of this 1,000 times before. In my dreams, I couldn't love you more. I will give you my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of rhyme, you'd still have my heart until the end of time. 'Cause all I need is you, my Valentine. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine.
Ang ganda naman nun. Thank you so much, Galen Muriel, for reminding us what Valentine truly means. Not just a day of the calendar, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi lang siya tatak dun sa ating mga kalendaryo, but a promise in the heart. A promise to love when it's easy and to stay when it's hard. To choose someone not only in the sunshine, but even when life gets cloudy. Because love doesn't always come wrapped in a perfect moment. Sometimes ang pag-ibig ay natetest din. Sometimes it bends, sometimes it breaks us, and then it teaches us how to stand up again. So as we close this night of love, let this be the final performance, and this is your anthem. Ito yung anthem niyo for healing, for courage, and for the quiet strength to keep going no matter what reason of love you're in. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagbibigay namin sa inyo ng pagmamahal. Salamat sa tuloy-tuloy na suporta. Kaya naman dito sa Sessions with Brian Yamsuan, tuloy pa rin ako.
Galing lang ako sa inyo at ako'y niloko mo. Pinag-usapan alas 8, nagkandara pa naman. Okay lang sa akin yun, sana'y di na lang napagod. 1,000 minuto ang pinaghintay ko, inaabangan ng Pasko. Wala
salamat po. At grabe, Yam Jam Live! Kasama natin ang siyempre isa sa pinaka-astig na banda sa buong Pilipinas. Hindi ho siya side B, kundi side A ho siya. Oo, di ba? Hindi siya side Brian, ha? Side A, grabe. An honor and a pleasure to be playing with you guys at maraming salamat. Ngayong Valentine's Day, keep loving, keep sharing, and also keep praying. To God be the glory. This is Sessions with Brian Yamsuan. Maraming salamat, Side A! This is Sessions with Brian Yamsuan signing out.
Pagdating sa cheese dog, kids can tell the cheesiest. Tender Juicy Cheese Dog. Ang pinaka-juicy, pinaka-cheesy.
Meron mang chicken and cheese, chili and cheese, cheesy pizza, cheesy spaghetti, cheesiest cheese dog para sa lahat! Kids can tell!
Di mabilang ang uwian na naging kabang-abang. Kasama ang pambansak manok, Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa. Di mabilang ang umagang pinasigla, kasama ng Magnolia Pure Fresh Milk at Magnolia Chocolate. Magnolia, 100 taon na at hihigit pa.